get in the south. You have vertical cliffs. There are south-facing, so when we have a cloud malfunction, in other words, sun, they warm up and can help with the eggs in the nest, hatch them, and so forth. And those waterfalls come down, hit the water, and they stir up the marine life that's underneath the surface of the water. These birds do not die, but they do kind of dip their little beaks in and grab food that comes up as a result of these waterfalls. Also, those waterfalls are fresh water coming into seawater, salt water, so it creates a brackish environment, which some of the marine life that they feed on prefer. Keep your eyes open for eagles. That's their main predator. You might see one up on the cliff face. Of course, the pinwhicks will let you know if an eagle is flying nearby because they will do behavior called peewing. When they all come off these cliffs in big flocks to kind of dissuade the eagle from hunting. Pretty much never works, but they do it.